I love it. It's super cozy. I would recommend getting different pillows for it because the one it comes with kinda sucks. We also had to wrap up our chain so that it wasn't touching the floor. But everything else is amazing. Perfect for my remodeled screen and porch. This hanging chair is great for indoor-outdoor use. Since it has gotten colder outside, we put ours in the family room, but I can't wait to set it up outside in the spring. It is so comfortable and relaxing. It's unique and stylish as well as very durable and sturdy. I've sat in this along with my 5-year-old. It is very capable of withstanding a large amount of weight. The chair is simple to assemble, it took less than 5 minutes. I love this hammock chair. I got it for my craft room and it's awesome. It's so comfy. I almost fell asleep in it while watching TV. Worth the price. This hammock chair is exactly as described, met all expectations, and arrived very quickly. I am using it on my patio with an old bench swing frame and it fits perfectly. I love the large size so the back extends up for additional support and provides the ability to lay my head back into it. The swing feels very sturdy and well made. Great purchase overall, and I'm thinking about buying a second one for my husband. The package was pretty simple and install was easy. Well made, but I won't leave it outside. Sturdy and cozy. For my 6-year-old daughter is more like a hammock bed rather than a chair. She can sleep inside. My son already asked Santa Claus to have one too. I wish they can make more colors like pink and blue. Overall loved it and Santa will order another one soon. Bowl is great that I can take it apart and take it on the go. I can hang it on the tree when I go nearby park. Beautiful, sturdy and so comfy to sit in. Buy it now. I modified my hanging part to be chained so it doesn't sink so much with my weight, and I added a much larger back pillow. This has been the best self-care. I swing to nap, to lounge with friends, to read or rest after a long hike. Love it, love it, love it! Click link in description for more reviews.